Now, there's one thing here that Soren wanted to talk about that I don't want to forget. So let me just rip this clip really quickly, and you can kind of talk us out with it.
We've got two different websites that are about to be released by people going through Yaru Create that are using COTI as a private backend. Very cool. They said that the latency, equivalent. They're front-end developers, and they were using COTI to store information privately, using it as their backend, almost like their CRM or CMS, excuse me. And said that the latency on first putting the data in was about 5 seconds. After that, they didn't really notice the difference between calling their data from COTI versus calling their data from like Google Cloud, etc. So it's going to be interesting to watch what happens when people start to understand that they can access a fast and expensive private backend for their apps and eventually dApps. So I think we're going to see a lot of Web 2.5 and Web 3 use cases start to peel out of this.
So just before Soren talks on that, you can find it. I know for sure that Soren has reposted that, and you can find it at Joshua's account. I tried to clean up the audio as best I could for the stream. But yeah, if you needed to hear it more clearly, then you can link to that from Soren's profile. So yeah, Soren, just tell us, you took you were really excited about this video. So I was wondering if you could summarize that for us.
I mean, this one's going, I presume it's gone a little bit under the radar because this is something that the whole community should be very, very excited about. So basically, a couple of projects that Joshua are in touch with through the Yaru initiative are using the COTI privacy tech stack, and they're using that as their backend for data. So they're basically, instead of storing the backend data on the cloud, they're using COTI for it. And this is where it blows my mind. I hadn't even thought of this, but basically, Garbage Circuits is so fast that they see no difference between using that and Google Cloud.